Hello, my name is Joe Vasquez, and I am reviewing the Ninja Air Fryer. This unboxing video is going to show you the fryer and a little bit of how it works. So, here's some information about it. As you can see inside, there goes the directions. Looks pretty good. And now I am taking the product out to show you what it looks like. Obviously, it is a pretty good product. It's a heavy size, and looks like the quality is pretty good. So let me take out the wrapping so you can get a better look of how it is. Let's see. Here we go. Looks pretty good. Yeah. And it's a good weight. Here goes the face. You can see it looks rather sturdy. So let me get it ready so I could begin the first test. I'm looking forward to this, and I'm hoping it'll come out pretty good. As you can see, here is a control panel. It looks rather simple and basic, so it's easy to use. On the side here is some cooking ideas, so you could be able to get a good temperature, a good time. And on the back over here are the vents, and all along the top, so you need to keep that clear of obstacles so you don't have to worry about any problems with airflow. Like I said, it looks rather good, rather sturdy. Okay, so right now I'm going to open up the pot area, and it looks like it's pretty good. It has a pretty good size to it. Inside it has instructions on how to work the crisper plate in the bottom. So there you have it on that. The mouth inside, it looks pretty good. And it looks like a very good machine. Let me put this thing back, and let's take a look at some instructions and see what they say. Here are the basic cooking tips. So when you get a chance and you're doing this, once in a while, open up the drawer, check the food, poke it, stir it to get maximum heat distribution. So now let's give it a try. So here's a piece of chicken leg I pre-seasoned. I'm going to put it in the pot here and give it a try. It's a rather large piece, so like I said, the best thing to do, which I didn't do at the time, is cut it a little bit so you could get more in-depth cooking on it. So I'm putting it in the pot right now, and let's see, I'm turning on the device, putting the temperature I need, which was 375, so I could get the cooking time that they recommended. And now let me adjust the timer to 15 minutes as instructed. Okay, and I'm going to turn it on right now. And here we go. Let me give this a chance to bake and come back and let's see the end results. There we go. It's done. And let me open up the pot, see how it looks. Looks like it's cooked pretty well. Looks rather even. Honestly, to tell you the truth, like I said, best thing to do for meat is cut it a little bit so it has more of a thorough cook to it. But other than that, both sides look really good. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I highly recommend the Ninja Air Fryer, and hopefully you have the same great results. Thank you.